tried so many times to catch me and keep me down. Inside, you're crossing a line till nothing is safe and sound. Don't think that I can hold it back no longer. No, I will never let you shake my ground. My rage is a beast in the cage, fighting for its way out. My blood is boiling, pushing me right over the edge, screaming in my head. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, I'm getting mad. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, can't keep it back. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, I'm getting mad. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, can't keep it back. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. You came, ball and a chain, and fed me with all your doubts. Insane, you live off the pain, dripping from one black cloud. I've had enough, just give me one more reason, and I'ma show you what I'm all about. My rage is a fierce hurricane, so you better run right now. My blood is boiling, pushing me right over the edge, screaming in my head. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, I'm getting mad. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, can't keep it back. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, I'm getting mad. Oh my God, I'm seeing red. I've had enough, can't keep it back. Oh my God, I'm seeing red.
You've been feeding the beast and I'ma let explode. Wouldn't leave me in peace, now I'm in wreckage mode. Been dead up and weighing on me, that's a heavy load. So I follow a different code, but see a red means go. Come on! No taking my time bomb when the toe tip through the line drawn. No warnings arrive on them and I'm far from the bygones. Too late to remain calm. Got violence in my eyes and I'm coming for you with the rage on. Bye bye to the